Alright, welcome back, new YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to break down a trade I took on GBP USD. But before I start, I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. But if you got any questions during this breakdown whatsoever, put them in the comment section because that's where I can help you and answer all of your questions. Alright, let's talk no more and dive into the charts and let's look at this setup. And as you can see, I have always the same sort of setups going on, and it's no other for today. What we can see is that we have a massive bearish range over here. We have price coming into a daily supply, we have a resistance on top, and we have a huge bearish break of structure. This bearish break of structure took out all the liquidity that was resting over here. So for me, I know there will be more sellers in than buyers, and what do? Occasionally, I always go against the masses, and today is no other day. I just waited for my confirmations, but let's break it down. What really happened? Why did I take the trade? And what's my thought process during this trade? Because if I go against everyone, well, what's the main reason for my entry then? Well, it's pretty obvious. What happens is that price comes into a 15-minute area of supply / POI / order block, whatever you want to name it, all comes down to the same thing. Pretty easy, right? From that mitigation, price comes down and does a bearish break of structure, right? Bearish break of structure over here. Price comes up again, does another bearish break of structure, takes out the Asian low pretty early. And this is what interested me very much. Why? Because now we have those Asian low buyers, right? Sweep of the Asian low. This is where, Asian high and low traders come in. They see a bullish break of structure after the sweep of the Asian low, but most people don't understand that price was still in this major support area. So I don't want to buy where everyone else is buying, right? So what do? I wait for those buyers to be swept. When those buyers are swept, I wait for 1 minute entry confirmations to go into their trade, into the long, and go into all those sellers, which is very easy. And as you can see, what happened is another bearish break of structure leaves another area of interest. Now, if I go to the 1 minute price action where I always enter on the 1 minute price action because it gives me an early indication where price wants to go. And the only thing we want to do is go with the session. We want to be in and out within the session. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but overall we're out of the trade within 1.5 hour-ish, right? So that's pretty easy. So now we know that we have perfect mitigations of supply zones everywhere. We have a trend line where sellers will come in as well. So you can imagine how many sellers are trapped in this price action. Now, what do I want to see? I want to see another inducement on the lower time frame. And what happens is pretty easy. We get that inducement early, but because we had a liquidity low over here, I went in with a break of structure. And let me show you how this trade played out, because it's pretty clean, to be honest. We press play, we come up, tap in what? Supply, bearish break. Again, what happens? We push up, we come down, bearish break of structure, come into another area of supply. Look what happens from that area, because I'm completely de-risked here. Stop loss is below this low. We tap in once more, into smart money concept traders, another bearish break of structure. Look at the details, guys, it's everywhere. This is the moment I went to break even, don't want to lose or risk any more money, and then price just rocketed off to my take profit. And the beauty of all is that I took this trade on my YouTube live stream for free. So I will be live streaming every morning in the London session, and you can just see how price is manipulating sellers in. We had a smart money trap over here. Well, they got in a little bit of profit, but then they got completely wrecked. Well, then what happens again? Another bearish break of structure from this supply happened over here. Again, smart money concept traders are getting completely wrecked. So if you understand all those different strategies and understand where they go short, the only thing we have to do is to go long. It's that simple. 99% of traders lose money, 1% of traders win money. So what's the logic behind it? Well, understanding liquidity, understanding different strategies, and just go against them. So there you go, complete breakdown within 5 minutes. Very simple, very easy. And I use the KISS system, so keep it stupid simple. Trading should be simple, trading should be easy, but you have to understand a few key basics, and that takes time. It's that easy. All right, thanks for watching. Again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and if you got questions, well, drop them in the comment section or join the Discord. I will answer questions there as well. Put the link down below in the description. And yeah, other than that, thanks for watching and I'll see you on to my next video. Cheers.